What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. TC from Fair Traders. So first thing first, I just want to say thank you for supporting. The empire is growing. So as usual, if you are new or a channel you have not yet subscribed, be part of the family by hitting that red subscription button, and also don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you will be notified when each and every time I post new video. So let me just show you how to set all these indicators on my screen. Okay, so on the main chart we have the moving average state. We have this moving average state, so you can copy as it is, and then after copying you press done. Then on the on the indicator window 1, we have the relative strength index, and then we have the ichimoku. Okay, so let's start by putting our relative strength index. So on level we have the period 1000 close, and then style you put 2 pixel, and then on levels you put 20, 30, 78. Okay, and then you write all this on the description. After you're done, you press done. So basically the strategy for today is based on trend following. So what do I mean by that? I mean it's more accurate and more reliable when it is used either in a bullish trend or in a bearish trend. Okay, it doesn't really work well when it is applied in a ranging or in a market which is moving sideways. Okay, so after putting all the indicators, your chart must look like this. Okay, your chart must look like this. So on the main chart we have the moving average 30. So the moving average 30 works like this. It helps to see each and every time when the market changes direction. Okay, either from a bullish to a bearish or from a bearish to a bullish. Okay, so it makes a breakout here. Okay, the price will break the moving average. After a breakout, we can see that the market changes direction, but we need another confirmation to see if it's not a false breakout. Okay, that's when we use indicator window 1 right here. That's when we use this indicator window 1. So what happens on the indicator window 1 is this zone is the zone where we look for selling opportunity. Okay, zone 100 to 80 or 80 to 100, that's the zone we look for selling opportunities. And then when we are looking for buying opportunities, we check this zone 0 to 20. Okay, 0 to 20, that's where we look for buying opportunities. And I highlighted here, you can check right here, it's a buy entry, there's a buy entry, and right here there's a sell entry. I highlighted. So this is the second thing, second confirmation. Okay, this zone is the second confirmation. So on the third confirmation is the changes in color of the ichimoku. Okay, so when you are selling, the ichimoku must be blue, and then when you are buying, the ichimoku must be red. Okay, like right here, as I have said, when you are buying, the ichimoku must be red, and then when you are selling, it must turn blue. Okay, so in other words, red is a signal for buying, and then blue is a signal for selling. Okay, so how do you set a take profit and your stop loss? Okay, so for take profit, let's say we are buying in this zone. So for take profit we use level 70. Okay, when we are buying, take profit is level 70, highlighted here. Okay, same applies when you are selling. When you are selling, ended your sale here, you take profit, sale is level 30. Okay, level 30. So this is for buying and this is for selling. Take profit is very easy, guys, very easy. And then stop loss, usually I advise all my students to put stop loss on the previous resistance peak or previous support peak. Okay, that's where you put your stop loss. So you can also put, depending with your account size, depending with the money that you are willing to risk. Okay, so this is how the strategy works. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. So for when you are trading pullbacks, the market or the price must bounce on moving average date like this. You can see that each and every time when the price bounced and then it started going up, it started going up, it started going up. You see, each and every time the price made a pullback and then bounced, it started going up. It's very easy, guys, very easy.